Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to restore your flash drive to the original size how it was before. As you can see from this flash drive, this is 64 GB. Okay guys, get ready and watch this tutorial.
Welcome to FIXtastic Solutions, the #1 channel to your solution.
So guys, in Windows, this is what you need to do. Obviously, first and foremost, plug in your flash drive into the USB port and then go into this PC folder. As you can see, have a look. This is almost 32 GB storage. It should have been 64 GB almost. So what you need to do is come out of there and search. I want you to search for CMD. CMD stands for command prompt. So right click on command prompt, select run as administrator. So select yes, click on that. Now this will prompt up command prompt. I want you to type in diskpart. So guys, type in diskpart and then press enter. And then I want you to type in list disk. Then press enter. You will need to know which one is your flash drive and then you need to select a format. In my situation, it's disk 1. As you can see, size 57 GB. So now I will type select disk 1 and then I press enter. And then you need to type in clean. Press enter. And then you need to type in create partition primary. And then press enter. Now I want you to type in exit. Enter. Exit again and then enter. You will now return back to your desktop. This is what you need to do next. I want you to select this PC icon. So now my flash drive is here. It needs to be formatted in order for it to detect the size. I want you to right click, select format. Now this will prompt up. Guys, just make sure when you start the format process that is selected already on exFAT, because that's the most compatible format for your flash drives on other laptops or PCs. At the bottom there's a button called start. This is to start the format process. Now click on OK. A message will prompt up to say format complete. Click on OK. So exit that. Now as you can see, my flash drive is 57.3. It's reached its full capacity. So come out of that. So I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe and I will catch you on the next video.